All right, we're talking about cleaning and these injectors. See these injectors here? So I got this little tool here, fuel injector tool, and it works pretty good. You hook it up to a 12-volt battery. You can't see it in the video, but I got a 12-volt battery right here. So you put the negative on negative, positive on positive. You put the battery connector in this little slot right here, and it's got different modes. And for a snowmobile, you want to make sure it's on 5 volts. Okay, so put it on 5 volts, and you can put it on the continuous mode. That's number 8. It says right there, continuous. Put it on number 8, and you'll see that if I hook up the other end now to the injector, see the little prongs in there. You just take one of the positives there, put it on. One of the negatives, put it on. Now if I hit the start button, on this tool, you can hear the clicking. Hear that? So you can stop it. So now I'm going to put some fuel to it. And you can just use throttle body cleaner, starter fluid, that kind of thing. Just like that. Got this from Crappy Tires. Canadian Tire, and it comes with a little kit here, and there's different sizes, and you can just put this around the O-ring right here, put it on there like that so it's nice and tight. It goes in there. I'll make sure it goes in there tight, otherwise the fuel, the spray will be coming out. Sometimes you can put some oil in there and make sure it goes around that oil ring, which I haven't done yet. Okay, it's going on there tight now. Here, it's nice and snug. So you put that spray in there like that. Put it in there and it'll fill up. Now you want to put this, it's going to spray. You want to put a bucket here. And I want to push the button. See this? Watch this. See that? So I was cleaning it out. I got it going inside a bucket. Nice and clean. Turn it off. All right. One down. That kind of went in my face a little bit. I should have held it down below, but that's how it works. Pretty cool, eh?